Stock Santa here. Donald Trump is going to be a fantastic president. For corporations, not you. Smart investors and smart people know that regulations are actually great for consumers. They prevent big evil corporations from being really evil. And that's great for you and it's great for me, but it's terrible for corporations because they want to be really evil, because the more evil they are and the sneakier they are, the more money they can extract from us to line their own pockets. Hey, Stock Santa, why are you saying these things? Aren't you an investor? Aren't you a stock market finance content creator? You should love this. It's great for your bottom line as an investor. Well, you know what? You can invest, and you should invest, and also think that Wall Street is full of shit people, including the Delta CEO. See, consumer advocates are wary of a second Trump administration, fearing that it could roll back rules requiring automatic refunds after canceled flights, and another that requires airlines to advertise the full price of fares up front, including mandatory fees and taxes. The Delta CEO said it's just overreach. Yeah, overreach. A giant corporation failing to fulfill their obligation and then getting upset that they have to give you a refund. That poor airline stock. Or this headline: Delta and other airlines are suing President Biden's DOT to kill a rule requiring greater transparency over fees that the carriers charge to their passengers. Yeah, as a consumer, I don't want to know all the fees up front. Hide that shit from me. Hit me with the bill later. Come on. Oh, duh. What are you people, idiots? I swear nobody's really paying attention until the news is out there, and now everyone's waking up and going, oh shit, we fucked around, now we're about to find out. Except that everyone gave this guy Trump a mandate, so now he feels like he can just do whatever he wants. Including this: Elon Musk calls to delete a U.S. consumer finance watchdog. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is a federal watchdog that helps protect consumers from predatory financial practices. Great for consumers, not very good for the billionaires. Stock Santa really wants to know why everyone is just so sympathetic and caring about these billionaire corporations. Oh, they have to disclose fees? Oh, that's awful for consumer protections? No thanks. Look at this one. This is from the Bureau. In 2022, it ordered Wells Fargo to pay $3.7 billion in overcharging, illegal fees, and interest on auto and mortgage loans, wrongfully repossessing customers' cars, and more. Yeah, that sounds terrible for consumers. Who would want that? This year, it banned Navient from federal student loan servicing and ordered the company to pay $100 million to borrowers who were wrongfully steered into forbearance or had payments miscounted. How could that just sounds awful. Why are they trying to help us? Let's get rid of them. CFPB enforcement over the years has led to nearly $20 billion in consumer relief and $5 billion in fines. They sound terrible. It seems kind of obvious to me that when a billionaire says, hey, you little person, you can trust me, I'm gonna do the right thing for you, that they're lying. Billionaires exist to do one thing and one thing only: enrich themselves and their friends. Not you. Hey, some people knew better and some people didn't. What are you gonna do, right? Anyway, remember this: bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered, and smart investors always smash that follow. And now more than ever, you really want to be a smart investor.